So in this video, we're going to give a quick update on where SoFi price action is currently and their most recent news in which they announced their earnings. Just a quick recap. We want to scroll out to the monthly chart and we can see how price rolled price action all the way down in 2022, only to find a bottom and form a monthly buy level at $4.50. And in the process, as price moved higher and closed above this key $6.50 resistance support band, price did pull back into the monthly buy level before shooting higher. And again, price action doesn't go up or down in a straight line. And so you had this bottom, higher high, higher low. And what we have right now is the current impulse move higher. And in the process of this leg up, price did form several daily buy levels. First one was at the $8.50 level. You had another one form near $12. And the most recent daily buy level has been at $14.50. So before we continue with the analysis and continue with the technicals, let's actually get into the news. So SoFi reported better than expected fourth quarter results this past Monday, but its stock tumbled 10% as investors focused on the company's 2025 guidance. The fintech company posted earnings per share of 5 cents, beating estimates of 4 cents. Revenue surged 19% year over year to $734 million. That was well above the consensus of $669 million. SoFi saw strong growth across its business segments in Q4. Financial services revenue jumped 84%, while lending revenue rose 18%. Also, the company added a record 785,000 new members in the quarter, bringing its total to over 10.1 million, and that's good for a 34% year-over-year increase. The CEO, Anthony Noto, said 2024 was SoFi's best year ever. Their ability to deliver durable growth and strong returns throughout the year was once again the direct result of their relentless focus on innovation and brand building. Now, despite the pullback, SoFi remains confident in its long-term growth trajectory. The company expects to add at least 2.8 million new members in 2025, representing 28% growth from the 2024 levels. All right, so we go back to the charts. Let's just zoom out firstly. This is the multi-time frame analysis. We're going to look at the weekly chart. And what you can see is, again, price did form another bottom at that key resistance support level before moving higher. You have your moving averages, which was plateauing and sideways, now moving up. And price is now getting away from the moving averages, which kind of tells me that the pullback was warranted. Now, I do have a next target at $20, which is a round hole psychological number. And so when we scroll down to the daily chart, what we're going to see is what I'm going to call a bull flag. And rightfully so. What happens as price pulls back on a smaller time frame, you're making lower highs and lower lows before the actual breakout. Typically what happens when you break out from some type of resistance, in this case the upper portion of that bull flag, you do form and price does come back to the origin of the breakout. Now, I'm not going to call this a daily buy level because if you look to the left, you have a lot of price action, sideways action, which tells me that this level is not the real level of interest that buyers are at. However, it did hold, right? You did get a reaction. Do want to bring to your attention again this daily buy level at $14.50, but the real level was this little itty bitty buy level just below. Can't really see it. You had a rally in price, basing candle or rally out, and so what you had was a level on level. Typically, if you've been following my channels, the best way to go long on a level is right in the middle, and you put your stop. In this case, it would have been at that $13 level. Now, where's price heading next? Well, the chart suggests you got your impulse move, you pull back. The next move, the next leg is going to be higher. Look for price to close that gap at $18 as your next target, and then $20 as your intermediate target. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.